What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to be unboxing the Nintendo Switch. Now, thank you for that, Kona. There's a lot of stuff I spend my money on, right? But not a lot of times do I really spend it to like splurge on myself. There's very few things that are big purchases like this that when they come out or whenever the opportunity comes up, I always tend to I'll put it in my cart, or virtually or even in person, and I'll think about it, I'll hold it, I'll look at it, look at all the tech specs, whatever it may be, and then I'll just be like, no, I'm okay. But my wife surprised me while she's deployed and got me a Nintendo Switch for Christmas. I'm sorry. But my wife surprised me and got me a Nintendo Switch for Easter, and in this video I'm going to unbox it, so we're going to do that together. Be sure to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to check out my Twitch where I'm going to be streaming some of these awesome games on there. So let's get started here first with this little tab. So once you open that up, I'm trying to not... Oh, this is exciting. Who else likes opening boxes? Here we go. All right, this is very exciting. So the first thing we were taking out are, I think they're called the Joy-Cons. Does it say it on here? It does not. But I believe these are called the Joy-Cons. She was like, I hope it's okay, I just got you the black on gray ones, which is totally fine with me, I don't care. And I got my wife one. She has the Animal Crossing version because she's a fan of Animal Crossing, so I got her that special edition one, which I thought came with the game. Apparently it didn't, so she had to buy that separately. But I am super excited now that I got my own. So now we can play together, and here is what I am guessing is the main console. Here we go. There it is. Nothing like opening a brand new console. I haven't actually owned, I think, a new Nintendo product in quite some time. So actually, oh man, I don't even want to touch it. Here we go. Look at that. That is beautiful. And I'm just going to turn this around for you. Yes, this is the black on gray color scheme. I'm actually nervous doing that. That was pretty nerve-wracking. That looks beautiful. I don't even want to set it down. It's like new consoles, it's like I don't want to touch them, get my fingerprints on them. So I'm gonna go ahead, take this out, place the garbage over here. Here's your health and safety guide. I'm taking this out. So it actually comes with, put this over here. So it actually comes with one of these controllers. So you can place the Joy-Cons on. Goes on like this, I think. So here you go. Here is the controller it comes with. Like so. That looks gorgeous. Gorgeous. I can't wait to use this. I am so excited. Here are the covers for the back of the Joy-Cons. So you can actually slip those over the rails on the side, or the top, however you want to look at it, for the Joy-Cons, and it acts as like the buttons, so it makes it like a more rounded out controller, so it's not just exposed. So it comes with not one, but two of these, and of course it has the wrist or the arm attachment there, so it doesn't fly off your hand. And then we have a couple cords here. We have another HDMI cord. I probably have 100 of these. And then I'm guessing this is probably the power cord. So we'll take those out, put them here. And this looks like the docking station. Oops, almost dropped that. Place that here. Here we go. Taking this out. Oh yes, nothing like a new console. That is beautiful. Look at it. I actually really like this, the all black. I like it a lot actually. This looks really, really nice. Real slick looking. The problem is, I don't know if we have enough room to put everything up on our entertainment center. All right, let's see. And this is all just fluff right here. All right, cool. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this box or not. And so here we are. This is everything you see here. Again, we have the two Joy-Con covers. I don't know what they're called, but they're basically the tops or the sides to the Joy-Cons. We have our wires. Here is the controller, and of course the two Joy-Cons right there. So you just take the rail, make sure you slide the rail in on the side. That's how you get those there, and I believe if I'm getting this correct, there is a, I think you press these buttons here, yep. You take, because otherwise you can't push them out. So there's actually a button right where my fingertip is. I don't know if the camera's gonna catch it, but there's a small button there. You press that and then you can slide this out. So again, here is the controller. Here are the rails I'm talking about, so you can have your easy setup there once you take these out. Here's the part right here that you're going to slide on those rails. And if you wanted to, here's this. This rail system is also on here as well, so it can go something like this. Once you put it on all the way, it's gonna look a little wonky, but once you get it on, this is good. This is sealed. You can use this. There's the buttons. There's a little lock thing up there. So once you get it locked into place, so once you have your Joy-Con and you have this cover piece here, you're just gonna find this rail system, and it is blocked off here, so you have to find the opening. So you'll just take it like so, slide it up on there. It's gonna lock into place right up there. I just did it. So there's this little white or gray tab. I think it's gray. But you push that down and it's gonna lock this into place. And then, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but once you push it up a little bit, okay? You probably didn't even hear it or see it, but it's ever so slightly locked, unlocked, and then you can see here, you're just gonna take it and then it comes right off. Whoops, almost too easily. So there you go, that's how that works. Or of course you can just take it like this, and there's the SL and the SR buttons right there, so you can use that as well. But again, it's just much easier to just use these. It makes it more controller-like, which is nice. I am going to set this up and set up my account, and I really want to buy the new Pokemon game. So